guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I am going to prepare donut. So guys, all the recipes and all the ingredients I will show you in this video. So guys, for donut I will use 2 kg of flour, 300 gram of sugar, 30 gram of yeast, 30 gram of salt, 20 gram of improver, 80 gram of butter, 4 eggs, 1 liter water and 200 gram of milk powder. So guys, I will mix all the ingredients one time. I will put in the mixer pot and I will mix all together in one time.
Water 1 liter.
As you can see, I put all the ingredients in mixer pot and I will mix about 15 minutes and I will show you later on. Guys, after 15 minutes our dough is ready. I will show you. You can see how is. So guys, you can see our dough is done. Now I am going to roll this. I will sheet by roller and I will make the shape by a cutter. I will show you how. So guys, you can see dough, I make it flat but not too much thin. We need to make a little thick and now I am going to cut. I cut by the cutter in this size. And now I will make it whole by this mold. So now I am going to arrange in this tray. Guys, you can see I arrange in the tray. Now I will cover. Guys, I am going to keep in room temperature and about 2 hours, and after 2 hours I am going to fry and I will show you later on. So guys, after 2 hours you can see donut, it looks like this. तो गाइज अब मैं फ्राई कर रहा हूँ डोनट और ऑयल का टेम्परेचर मीडियम होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा हाई टेम्परेचर में नहीं इसको फ्राई करने का। You can see our donut is ready. Now I am going to garnish. I will add icing sugar. Add also chocolate. So guys, here is our donut with chocolate and icing sugar. If you really like this recipe, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.